Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 305I, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select or hold power off once it shows up. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, and you want to confirm that by selecting OK. When the device boots back up again, it will automatically go into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, and any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and that is so you can troubleshoot your device. Once you're done with needing this mode, you can simply reboot the device, and this will take you back to normal mode. And as you can see, the process is now finished, so the device did boot up. Let me just unlock the SIM card. And there we go. So we do have a watermark at the bottom letting us know that we are in this mode, and there's a couple applications that come pre-installed with this device that don't work. You can see right here, Duo and a light Facebook won't work, and then there's some additional application in the Google folder like Files, and it looks like it's all at least visible. So you can obviously distinguish these applications based on the fact that they do become monochrome, as you can see based on these two applications. And if you try to open them up, it will give you the pop-up downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, like I mentioned before, once you're done needing safe mode, you can boot up back to the normal mode by holding your power button and selecting restart. Once the device boots back up again, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.